Hello everybody, Simon here from England. Recently I made a video about my sons going to Zhongshan Qingpu No. 1 hospital. The level of service that my sons received at the hospitals in China was outstanding. Yes, we were seen very efficiently within a very short period of time. Maybe the whole process took less than an hour to be seen, which in my humble opinion is outstanding. That cannot be said of the level of service that is received in England. First of all, if you want to go to the doctors, you have to book an appointment. That takes several weeks. Yes, several weeks. Then once you've gained the appointment to see the doctors, you may well be referred to the hospital. That then in turn will take several weeks. Then you have to have the process in rehabilitation, so going into the hospital, etc, etc. Yes, you can pay to go private, but that will cost you an absolute fortune. And unfortunately, as most of us are working class, we cannot afford such luxuries. I've received messages from many people, including doctors and nurses, to offer an insight as a comparison between the level of service in England for the medical profession in the hospitals compared to hospitals in China. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a video. The video is quite shocking.
This is what extreme pressure on the NHS looks like. More than 20 ambulances queuing outside A&E here in Stoke-on-Trent. Each one with a patient inside, but there's no space in the hospital. Dennis Hodgkins is among the paramedics stuck waiting.
I'd say it's the worst we've seen ever. It's heartbreaking really, because you're thinking of the patients on the vehicle you're trying to do your best for, and hopefully what we should be doing is offloading in 15 minutes. When we pull up, we see what you can see behind us here, and we know that patient could be waiting for hours literally. I was only on a job a couple of weeks ago. We turned up to take a patient, and they'd been here 15 hours on the back of an ambulance waiting.
The pressure is relentless. At one point today, the number of ambulances queuing at this one hospital reached 32. That's more than half the ambulances covering the entire county of Staffordshire that were unable to respond to 999 calls because they were stuck here. And it's happening right across the country. This is one of several NHS hospital trusts to have declared a critical incident in the last few days as hospitals struggle to cope with the numbers of patients needing help.
So as you can see from the video of the ambulances all queuing up, waiting outside of the hospital, and in some instances up to 15 hours to be seen by the medical staff. Could you imagine what that must feel like if you are a patient waiting in that ambulance? That is, in my humble opinion, ludicrous and crazy. But this is what's going on in England. Compare this to the level of service that you are receiving in China. I truly hope you've enjoyed watching this video today, and I hope it's given you an understanding of the differences between the two countries regarding medical treatment and the hospitals. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.